Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about adding the roles and how we are going to create roles in the ServiceNow platform in ITSM Developer. Here today, in last class, I have explained regarding how we can create groups and how we can add create users and how we can add users to groups and groups to users and all those things I have explained in the recent classes. You can check out my videos which are available in my YouTube channel. Okay. And today class we are going to explain how the roles will be created, how we can create roles, and how we can add users to the groups, and how we can add roles directly to the groups, and all those things will be explained in this class. Okay. Okay. This is the ServiceNow platform, my instance, developer instance. I have explained it about recently. Okay. Here we have in this hall we can search for sys. Backend name is sys underscore user underscore role dot list. Okay, this is the backend name for roles. Okay, normally we can see the roles here. Yeah, by doing searching for roles, and we can go down that we have system security. Below system security we have users groups and all roles. Okay, just a second, it's going. Yeah, system security we have roles, right? This is the roles. Okay. See, okay, both are equal. Okay, in this way we can open for creating a new role. We can click on this new. By opening this new, we will add a demo role. We may demo role. It's for global application by default. Okay, and we can add a description. Okay, and we are going to submit the role. Okay, this is the role I have created. You can check it from here. Demo. Yeah, it's visible, right? Demo. Here, who had stated admin, because I am the admin, system administration admin, right? That's why it's created admin. Okay. Now we will open this role, and we can see here, right, how the this is the form where the roles form will be. This role did not contain any roles. Okay, just I have created a name for roles. Okay, suppose for this demo role I need to add content roles. What are the content roles and all those things. Although I will be explained in this custom tables in table classes, module with role, application with role, all those things. Now we will see for content roles. We will go to edit, and we will see that here we have all the roles which will be available here. Okay, let me say I will search for ITIL user, ITIL role. Yeah, okay, then ITIL admin or also next incident. See, incident manager, and we can search for here, and we can uh, it will be available in the collection list, and we can add all those things to the content role list. Okay, and we will going to save the here, and we will see that just update the role. Yeah, now we can see that we have contained three roles: ITIL incident and ITIL admin roles. Okay, in this way we are going to add the roles. Okay, we will create roles, and we will add the roles to this role group. Okay, in this way we are going to create. Okay, now we will see how we can add roles to the users to the roles, and all those things will be explained now. Okay, let me say now we will go for a user. Okay, or group. Okay, in the last class I have created a group. I think everyone has know that demo. Okay, user underscore not list. See, in this I have created a demo group. Sorry, demo group. In this demo group I need to add a roles. Okay, I will click on this role. Okay, now here we will have say edit. We will go into edit, and we will search for demo. See, in this demo we have contained three roles. All those ITIL admin, ITIL, and incident manager. All those will be directly apply to this demo group. Okay, see the role group members for all these three members, the roles will be added. Okay, we can see, suppose I will open this able tutor. Okay, see, come on, scroll down. See here, this able tutor has this conditional structured we need, we can, or else we can remove, means we can edit. Just I need only one group, that's why I am going to just demo group is that, right? See, now we can refresh. Yeah, why it's not doing? There will be some issue, I think so. Maybe I have added the admin role, right? That's why it's not doing, I think so. Okay, no issue. Okay, see, now that we will go to the roles, and we can see that in this ITIL admin we may have different roles like instant manager, task editor, and then all those roles will be available here. Okay, see, ITL template editor, SN change read, write, view. Okay, in this way a lot of roles will be admin will be have in this ITIL admin will have some uh, child roles. All those child roles also will be added to this groups. Okay, in this way the roles will be added to the groups. Okay, if you want to add a new role, or okay, we can go to here and we can edit, and we can search for the user, and we will directly add for this okay, or else if we need I will explain how we can add it directly to the user. This is the user page, right? Now I need to add a role for individual for this only await router only. So I will search for problem. Okay, problem admin. Okay, I will configure and I will save this form. Now we have seen that add in the row, all those things will be given. Now see the roles. Recently we have 47 roles. Now the 4 roles has been added. Means in problem admin role, there are 4 roles related. Thus, related to those 4 roles, we will. Oh, so we can search here. Let's see, problem admin, problem manager, problem coordinator, problem task analyst. All these 4 roles been added when we are adding problem admin role. Okay, in this way we can add for individual roles also. I have added these roles only for the able tutor. Okay, I have not added to the roles to the Hari or anyone else. So I will see now. I will open the Hari Kumar. Here, he will have only 47 roles because I have added only the problem coordinator to the able tutor only. I have not added to this hurry and all those things, or to this group only. Okay. In this way, it will be working. Okay. How we are going to create a roles and all those things I have explained it. We will go and create a role, and we will add in the role to the group by directly itself, by directly adding to this. Suppose I need to add it see roles here, right? Suppose let me say, let me take some other groups. Okay, we will go for a group. Here we may have demo group, right? And let me say I will go for some other group. Okay, let me say this is a demo group, right? I will open this demo group. Here different Madan, Suresh, different users have been on. Here he has only admin role. Okay. Now I am going to add this as some different roles. Okay. Now I will have change manager role will be added to him. Okay. See, we will refresh it. See, now he has added the change roles. Means by default the demo group by default all this change manager roles will be added to this demo group. It means that in this group we have 3 members for Mahesh, Suresh, and these 3 members. The change manager group will be added. Okay, see here 111 roles has been added. We have only added the parent, right? So in child we have different roles. All the by combinedly it may have one roles, 111 roles. It has been added. Okay. This is the process. Okay, I think everyone has clear, right? This is the process how we can create a new role and we will add those new role to the user, or we will add those new role to the group, and we will add directly users directly. We may have the add the roles, and for individual group also we may add roles, and for individual user also we can add roles. Okay, in this way all those things, all the scenarios will be worked out. Okay, if you have any doubts you may ask in my comment section. Okay, you know, after listening the class you go and practice. Okay, after practicing only you may understand how we can add users groups and user roles, and all those things will be by practicing only you will get. Okay, I think everyone has it clear, right? That's it for today's class. Okay, if you have any doubts you may comment in my comment section, and I will be see the comments, and I will make a video regarding the clearing of your doubts. Okay, that's it for the class. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.